How to save your design. It is recommended that you save your design regularly. We provide an auto-save feature that will do this for you. However, should you wish to manually save, you can. Step 1. To save your design, click the Save Design button in the top right of the Design Studio. The design will then start saving. The time this takes will depend on how many pages, how many images have been uploaded, and what size your images are. The first save can take up to a few minutes if you have a really large file. When your file has saved, the timer icon will disappear. Your designs are all saved to your account portfolio. If you leave the Design Studio, you will be able to access these saved designs again from your portfolio area.